as well. The first rates are in. The Nifty is down about 78 points. And the Bank Nifty is leading it, down about 300 points on the Bank Nifty. Remember, on Friday, I also made this point that perhaps the market is due for one pullback, which may not get bought. And from that point high to now, the Nifty is down over 300 points. In fact, the recent high was 17,980, thereabout. We're at 17,658 now. So it's a reasonable dip now that we're seeing. The Nifty is now down 100. It was down 200 on Friday, 100 down today. And the Bank Nifty is down 340 points now. So let's see how the screen behaves from here on. Kotak is starting the day with 3% decline, so that's leading the fall. Actually, that's the biggest reason that the Bank Nifty is down about 350 points now. What else? Tata Motors and Tata Steel are down. ONGC, Hindalco, so the commodity complex is down. Wipro is down about 2%. After Wipro, by the way, TCS is also delaying that variable payout to some employees. So, the theory that Wipro is perhaps a lead indicator for a large cap tech perhaps holds out. Cipla, Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank are the other 1% losers. Then you have ICICI and Infosys in terms of heavyweights, TCS, HDFC Bank, HDFC, which are putting a bit of pressure on the market. On the upside, you have Adani Ports, which has been one of the stocks of this month. It's up close to 3/4 of 1%. And I think there's a court case for Adani today, right? Maybe so that's something which could be something to watch out for. And SBI Life is higher, but the Nifty is now down 120 points, and the Bank Nifty is down 430 points. So the first rates are looking quite bad.
Quite ugly, actually. Even the mid-cap index is down 330 points. The advanced decline ratio is well in favor of decline. So it's turning out, at least the start is on the negative side if you're a bull. The Adani Group stocks are all doing quite well. So they are bucking the trend today. Adani Green, Adani Power, all in the green, up about 3 to 5 odd percent. Paytm, for reasons that Anand just mentioned, up 2.5% today. You have a lot of pharma stocks that are doing well. Ajanta Pharma. I'm just talking about the stocks that are bucking the trend this morning. SBI Life, Deepak Fertilizers, KC International has been winning some orders, so looking good. Adani Enterprises as well in the green, and Thermax too is holding up in the green now. Central Bank of India is another stock that's up almost about 5 odd percent. Something like an AstraZeneca, IOB, etc. Are trading in the green right now. Tanla Platforms is in the news. It's up almost about 1.5%, so do keep an eye out on that. And on the downside, what's dragging the mid-cap index today? A lot of infrastructure stocks, some real estate names as well. Oil marketing companies are under quite a bit of pressure. HPCL is down 5.5%. Sugar stocks, Bajaj Hindustan down 3.5%. You have Indiabulls Housing, ONGC Sale, Kotak Mahindra Bank, of course, from the frontliners. And some stocks like Ashok Leyland, which have been rallying quite a bit, are coming in for some profit taking this morning. So all in all, you'd have to say it's a weak start, 117 points lower on the Nifty. But I guess a lot of people saw this coming because, we've had a very steep run up and some profit taking now.
I mean, I think this is one of the most seen and anticipated pullbacks, right? So nothing out of the ordinary at all. I mean, we've been highlighting how the market perhaps in the very near term has become a little more stretched. So these things happen. Piramal is down 2%. I think there was a Edelweiss note this morning highlighting about those index changes and how it's been excluded because of the demerger, and some XYZ sort of selling has to come because of that. IRCTC is down 3%.